it's published, and I'm just going to refresh this, and you're going to see the date being updated just like that. How cool is that? And this is a CMS date.
Hey everyone, this is Ali. I'm a webflow developer based in Kuwait, and today this video is about for my Arabic people, because sometimes you build a website on Webflow, you have an English version, but you need an Arabic version. Now, unless you're using a service like Weglot or any other service to translate the website, they will still miss out the numbers sometimes. Some would do it, some would not do it. But in my case, for this client, ended up making the exact version of the website but in Arabic, so there are duplicate pages. I have project over here, and you can see this is a slider. This whole thing is a CMS slider, and let me know if you want me to make a video on how did I made this. I'll be happy to share that with you. So here you see the date is in English, but everything else is in Arabic. Now I wanted a way to write a code that would read the text and convert it to Arabic, and this is in CMS, so whatever date you put, it would still be written in Arabic, and this is how it's done. So let's go on the Webflow itself. This is the website data. Okay, and right here, don't do what I did. This was my first project, so I made a ton of classes, but try to stick to 2 or maximum 3 classes. But in this case, just for demo purposes, I'm adding 4 classes right now, and I'll tell you how it's done. This is the code, and I'll leave the link to this down in the description. So I will copy this, and I'll go to the project setting. I'll go to the footer code, and right here I will paste the code. And here I have, this is the whole code. So let me go through the code with you, and you'll understand what this is about. And I mentioned over here month, day, year. So this is the format, right? Month, date, and year. Okay. So this is a format that's mentioned in the code. If you are using this type of format, it will work. All the months are mentioned right over here, and the numbers are mentioned in Arabic. So the code will find the format of the date, and then replace the month with the Arabic month, and replace the numbers with Arabic date. That's it. Super simple. But it's going to find it by using this class. So we're going to copy this class, save this.
Alright, so I will save this code right here, and now I'll go back here and give this class date a class of Arabic date right here, and then just go ahead and publish it. It's published, and I'm just going to refresh this, and you're going to see the date being updated just like that. How cool is that? And this is a CMS date that you write in English, but this code just converts it to Arabic, and that's so cool. That's it. So I'll leave the link down below, and let me know if you guys have any issues or something. Let me know, and thank you for watching this video. And until then, take care.